Right, so this is part 3. So we part 1, part 3, part 3 of exercise 12.26. Right, the general polar form formula is used to find the roots of an equation. So the equation that we're solving is this one here. And how many roots has this equation got? It's got 4 because the highest power is 4. So it has 4 roots. So we start off with n. The first value of n is 0. Second one is 1, and then 2, and then 3. If this was z to the 5, there would be 5 roots. So we would use this equation 5 times. So the first value of n would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If this was z squared, n would be 0 and 1. There would be 2 roots. Alright, there would be 2 answers basically. Right, so we're going to use this equation, but the first thing we need to do is slightly rearrange this equation, because we want z on the left and we want to move the minus w over to the right. Okay, so same information, just what I mentioned there. So again, part 3. So just going to follow some of this. Right, so z to the 4 minus w is equal to 0. So we move the w across. Z to the 4 is equal to w. Alright, so z to the 4 is equal to w. So z, what's z? Z is equal to w to the power of a quarter. Alright. Right, so the complex number that we had was z is equal, what was w? The complex number. It was minus 2 root 3 to the, and see w is here, this is w, to the power of quarter. Alright, just get me a spare sheet there, lads. To the power of quarter. So what I have to do is use my general form up here. See my general form here? And I have to fill it out. Okay, so we found that the radius, let's see, z, right, so what was r? The radius was 4, and then bracket, cos, what was theta? Minus 2 root 2 over 3, that was the argument, remember the angle, plus, now we're doing it for the first time, so n is equal to
0.
Plus 2 times 0 pi over, no, 2 times 0 pi, bracket, plus I sine minus 2 pi over 3 plus 2 times, run out of space, 0 pi. Alright, so basically you get your calculator out and yeah, so you do get your calculator out and find that answer. Push that up. Right, so 2 times 0 is nothing, nothing times pi is nothing. Right, so we have, okay, and I'll have to write it out again here. Z is equal to 4 cos, so we had, I'll just stop that for a second.